Welcome back to the channel. Today we study about the ethical hacking. Did you know? The same skills used to hack a system can also be used to protect it? Yes. Not all hackers are criminals. Some hackers are actually hired by companies to break into their systems legally. And they are called ethical hackers. Today we are going to discuss another important topic, and we will start learning ethical hacking step by step. So keep watching, and keep in touch with this channel for more interesting cybersecurity topics. Let's begin. What is an ethical hacker? An ethical hacker is a cybersecurity professional who is authorized to hack systems legally to find security weaknesses before malicious hackers do. They are also called white hat hackers, security analysts, penetration testers. Unlike criminals, ethical hackers take permission before testing, follow legal guidelines, report vulnerabilities responsibly, help organizations improve security. In simple words, a criminal hacker breaks into systems to steal. An ethical hacker breaks into systems to protect. Why are ethical hackers needed? Today, almost everything is online. Banking, shopping, social media, government services, business operations. If these systems are not secure, they can be attacked. Companies lose money, customer trust, reputation, sensitive data. So organizations hire ethical hackers to test their systems, identify vulnerabilities, prevent cyber attacks. It's like hiring a security expert to test your house locks before a thief tries to enter. What does an ethical hacker do? Let's understand their responsibilities step by step. Information gathering. Ethical hackers collect information about the target system. IP addresses, domain details, open ports, technologies used. This phase is called reconnaissance. Scanning for vulnerabilities. They use professional tools to scan for weak passwords, unpatched software, misconfigurations, open services. The goal is to identify weaknesses. Exploitation, controlled testing. After finding vulnerabilities, they test whether those weaknesses can be exploited. Important. This is done with written permission. They simulate real attacks in a safe environment. Privilege escalation testing. They check. Can a normal user become an admin? If yes, that's a serious security issue. Reporting. This is the most important step. Ethical hackers create a detailed report including vulnerabilities found, risk level, proof of concept, recommended fixes. Without reporting, testing is useless. Skills required to become an ethical hacker. If you want to become one, you need basic networking knowledge, understanding of operating systems, knowledge of cybersecurity concepts, familiarity with tools like Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, problem-solving mindset, strong ethics, and most importantly, curiosity to learn continuously. Cybersecurity changes every day. The important question which is in your mind: is ethical hacking legal? Yes. But only when you have written permission. You follow laws. You follow company policies. Without permission, hacking is illegal, even if your intention is good. Always remember, authorization is everything. Why ethical hacking is a great career. Ethical hacking is high demand worldwide, well paid, exciting and challenging. constantly evolving. Companies across the world are hiring security professionals. If you build the right skills, you can work in cybersecurity firms, in banks, in IT companies, as a freelance penetration tester. Today we discussed what is an ethical hacker, what they do, why they are important, how you can start learning ethical hacking. And this is just the beginning. In our next videos, we will go deeper into ethical hacking tools, real attack simulations, CEH concepts, practical demonstrations. So keep in touch with this channel for more interesting cybersecurity topics. We are starting the journey of ethical hacking together. If you found this video helpful, like to the channel, subscribe to the channel, Forge IT Skill, share with your friends, and start your ethical hacking journey today. Stay ethical, stay secure, and keep learning.